Today we'll be using a goniometer to measure extension of the first metacarpal phalangeal joint. The normal ranges for this are 23 to 40 degrees. To measure, place your patient's hand on a flat surface so they are relaxed. Place the goniometer on the palmar side of the patient's joint that you are measuring. For this motion, the fulcrum is to be placed on the palmar side of the hand with the fulcrum at the proximal interphalangeal joint and the movable arm lined up distally with the distal interphalangeal joint line. To measure this movement, you will have your patient actively go through the motion as you follow it with the goniometer. So for this video, we're doing first metacarpal phalangeal joint flexion. Occurs in the frontal plane, and the normal ranges are 60 to 70 degrees. So for the next motion we'll be measuring is flexion of the first metacarpal phalangeal joint. Normal ranges for this are 50 to 60 degrees.
We're going to be placing the fulcrum on the
to measure this motion, you want your patient's hand to be supinated and supported on the table. You will place the goniometer with the fulcrum at the proximal interphalangeal joint on the dorsal side of the hand.
And then the movable arm's going to be
you will have them go through the motion of flexion, following the distal arm in line with the distal interphalangeal joint.
And relax. And she is at about 60 degrees. Let's see, move it there. Let's be about in line with that. So that's within normal range.